Sorry about that. Today I'm going to talk about what makes a great actor according to Vedic astrology. Well, not me obviously, right? But when we look at the charts of talented and successful actors, we notice common patterns, strong connections between the first, third, fifth and 10th houses, along with powerful roles of Venus and Mercury. Especially when we look at the charts of Dilip Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan. But wait, there is Rekha. Yes, Rekha. In a chart, there is an exception, and I'll talk about that in the last part. First, let's look at Amitabh Bachchan's chart. Here, the Lord of third house, Mars, and the Lord of fifth house, Mercury, are combined in the eighth house with Venus. Now, why is this important? Third house is all about self-expression, communication, and talent. Now, fifth house is all about creativity, cinema, and performance. The most crucial house for any artist. Among the planets, Venus is the most important one. It rules creativity, entertainment, beauty, and cinema, while Mercury rules communication, dialogue delivery, writing, and intellect. Here, all creative planets are strongly connected. Venus even forms Nisbanga Rajyog with exalted Mercury, right? Additionally, Mars, the lord of third house, is also the lord of 10th house, house of career. It's almost as if destiny pushed him towards acting. Right. Now, Dilip Kumar's chart. The 5th house lord Mercury is in conjunction with Venus and aspecting the Lagna from 7th house. In this case as well, the 5th house lord, most crucial for creativity and cinema, is connecting with Venus and influencing the Lagna. Right. Now look at the 3rd house. Its lord Moon is aspecting the 10th house. And the 10th house lord Saturn is aspecting the 5th house lord Mercury and Venus from 5th house. Now Sun and Mercury create Buddha Aditya Rajyog, aspecting the Lagna. In this chart, we again see the same pattern as Amitabh Bachchan's. Strong connections between the 1st, 3rd, 5th and 10th houses. Now Shah Rukh Khan's chart. The 3rd house lord Venus is in the 5th house. Here Venus itself is the lord of 10th and 3rd. Again, the 5th house lord Jupiter aspects his own house, creating a connection with Venus, the lord of 10th house. There is also a benefic aspect of Jupiter on debilitated Lagna lord, and Saturn is in its own house aspecting the Lagna. Here also it feels as if destiny wanted Shah Rukh Khan to act. Now when we look at all these charts, we see common themes. A strong first house. First house is all about personality, physical appearance and presence. A strong Lagna gives the charisma needed to command the screen. Right? In all the cases, the Lagna is strong or aspected by benefics. Strong third house connections linking with the 10th, 5th or 1st houses are their lords. Now the third house represents self-expression, communication and talents, and acting is communication, right? Another is 5th house connection to the 10th house or 10th lord, the house of creativity, cinema and performance, the inner performer. Again, let's look at 10th house, career, public status. Now Venus, Mercury, the 3rd house and the 5th house give creativity. But for success, the 10th house must link back to creative houses or planets. In all the cases, the 10th house connects with the 5th house, 5th lord, 3rd house or 3rd lord. Additionally, we also see conjunction of Venus with the 5th lord. Venus aspecting or joining the 10th house or 10th lord. Now Venus in the 5th house, or strong Mercury and Venus connected with auspicious houses like ascendant or 11th house. Now these combinations often give success in acting, dancing or music. Now the exception, Rekha. In her chart, the 3rd lord Saturn and the 10th lord aspect the 5th house, matching our pattern. But Venus sits in the 12th house, not directly linked to the 5th or 10th. So what's the exception? Venus is placed between the 5th and 10th lord and receives influence from the Lagna lord. Even though the placement looks unusual, the overall creative network still exists, just expressed differently. Of course, astrology always allows exceptions, but these combinations create a strong foundation for acting talent and success. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.